Very good afternoon. This is your Papan Bhai. Yes, this time I am coming to reach you on May 1st. That is International Labour's Day. May 1st greetings to each and every one of us and from my side to you. Hope you and all at home are fine. Going by the directions of Honorable Prime Minister of the country, the Chief Ministers of the states and Union Territory. Hope all are keeping fine. Let us begin our talk by thanking the government, the health department, the police authorities, most importantly the doctors and nurses, the health department people, also all the utility services, essential service officials. That might include railways, transport, water authority, electricity authority, milk serving person, medicine serving personnel, essential food item servicing providers, including the most important thing, the bank employees, the bankers also. I will come to you on that later. Let us thank our own important persons at home who are keeping us comfortable and giving us a timely food and essential items to be comfortable. Now coming to our point. Yes, yesterday you all felt very happy. Lot of tension has been relieved by getting the news that the examination to be held on June has been postponed to July, 20th July of this year. Yes, as already told by the Honorable President and told by us also in various forums, if need be, definitely the institute are with the members, with the students. This has been proved again. And again I am telling you, if need be, even July examination also will be postponed. We have to wait for the government directives. Let us listen to them. They are for the citizens of the country. It is not that we take our own decisions. It's all collective decisions. Yes, dearest student friends, now why I have come is not just to tell you about the extension of the examination date. Immediately when you all got the news about extension of examination date, the next question all started asking was, sir, the site is not working. We could not fill up the form. That is, those students who thought that examinations will be in June and decided not to write because of lockdown and other sorts of anxieties, now decided that since the examination is postponed to July, let us give a try. And it is not that the website was not working. Yesterday we have ensured 3,500 plus form submission has happened. Since everybody have come at the same time, some of the students have got that difficulty. Now I am telling you one more thing which already personally I have shared. We, the institute, having taken a decision to extend the examination date, have approached the government for giving us permission to extend the cut-off date for submission of application form. Yes, we need the permission of the government. There is a procedure which we have followed. I am very confident that government is with the citizens of the country and they will definitely see that you people are helped and they will give permission for extension of cut-off date, which might be maybe May 20th. That is this month 20th, maybe. If it is so, if it happens, see, I am talking to you now, the notification could have come or it will come at any moment, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow or any other time. But if it is before you, don't wait for again May 20th. That is my humble request. And you may tell, sir, lockdown hai, hum kaise bahar ja sakte hain, demand draft from where we will get. Yes, with all your credentials, whatever paper you have as a student. If you show to the police authority, they will permit you to go to the bank. This is why I thank specifically bankers. They are working for the society even during lockdown. They are working. So those students who have that anxiety and other things also, I will tell one by one. Now number one, which I would like to share with you all. That is, some of the students were asking me, sir, we have taken demand draft. Now we want to go for one more group. Already we applied for one group, maybe group 1 or group 2 or group 3 or group 4. Now that the institute has postponed to July, can we go for one more group? And they have taken demand draft. It is there in their hand. Yes, you can apply. You don't worry at all. The demand draft which you are having and the application form which you can download from the website, please fill up there and scan that and send to the following email ID. That is exam, exam.helpdesk@icmai.in. Once again I am repeating, which you all know. Take this scanned copy of the demand draft application form that you want to add one more group. Those who have already applied, I am telling for them, those who wanted to do one more group, please upload the same and send it to the following email ID, exam.helpdesk@icmai.in. If you feel so, you can send a copy marked to my mail ID also. My mail ID is pappaniob@gmail.com. That is pappaniob@gmail.com. pappaniob@gmail.com. It is not that you should send it to me, but if you feel so that tomorrow if nothing happens, you can question me. That's why I am giving voluntarily. That is your choice, so that I will also know that you have applied. When the officials reply, I will also get a copy. Yes, it is a little bit extra tedious, but I am very happy for that. Right? Now the second question that comes to the mind of people at now, many people are asking, is regarding center change. सर पहले मैंने उधर रखा था, अभी मैं चेंज करना चाहता हूँ, मैं गांव में हूँ. Yes, first I put this center, sir, thinking that I will go there. Now I am in the village or in the town or the place other than the where we have applied. Yes, you can do it immediately by way of mail, quoting your registration number, the group applied for or groups applied for, and the original examination center and change of center which you want. You can send again to the same mail ID which I have given, plus one more mail ID. Please note, that is exam.dd, deputy director, or Doordarshan you call it na, DD2, 1 2 3 4 like 2. That is exam.dd2@icmai.in. That is for center change. You can send the email to exam.helpdesk@icmai.in, and please add one more email ID, that is exam.dd2, so that more than one official will be able to look into your that part. Again, if you feel so, you can mark copy to pappaniob@gmail.com. That's your choice. Now the third thing, some of you have applied for say group 1. Now you want to go for group 2, or group 2 you applied, now you want to go for group 1, or group 3 you applied, you want to go for group 3, or group 4 you applied, you want to go for group 3. Change of group will permit. It happens, mistakes happen. Or suddenly you feel, I am now more comfortable with this group, sir, I will give. You again follow the same process, simply send an email to exam.helpdesk@icmai.in and also to exam.dd2@icmai.in. That particular deputy director is taking care of. That's why I am adding his mail ID also. He will be very happy to serve you. I am confident. I know him personally. That's why I gave that two. This is only for examination center change as well as change of group. Okay? Originally you have applied for one group, you have taken DD for another group, that you send only to help desk, exam.helpdesk@icmi.in. Now the third thing, sir, we never applied, sir. Suddenly you have extended the date, we are very thankful. Please allow us to apply, and if examination happen in July, allow us to write, we want to apply. Yes, please wait for the notification. The cut-off date extension I told you, na, please wait. Once that happens, you can definitely submit. But don't wait till the extended cut-off date last moment. Then again tell that the system not working. इतना आप लोग लिख रहे हैं. How much you people are writing again? ट्विटर में, सोशल मीडिया में, इंस्टाग्राम, टेलीग्राम, व्हाट्सएप, पर्सनल चैट. Better do it before, na. Suppose the extension of a cut-off date comes, don't wait for the last minute. Last minute you allow for some exigency cases, some student. But all of you don't wait for the last date, right? So these are all the simple things I want to convey to you. And here I am telling you, if you are able to take demand draft from the, if the extension date is received, permission is received from the government and our institute upload the notification, please remember to be safe while going to the bank to take demand draft. Then do like that. Otherwise, online also you can do. Why demand draft I told? Those who have already applied for one group wanted to do both groups, but now are unable to do because they are, the cut-off date is not extended. They need to take for the extra additional group which they want to do, they have to take demand draft, na? So that all the hard copies you have to upload and send the scan copy to the scan copy and hard copy to the institute, na? For them I am telling. And by any chance, someone among you who are listening to this particular address by me are waiting till the last date, and last, suppose extension is there and you are again going to wait till last date, don't wait for that last date online this thing. You take a demand draft at least on 20th May, if it is a working day. At least take a demand draft on that day and try to upload. If it doesn't happen, send the hard copy to the institute. Institute is always with you. Yes, some of our friends asked me, sir, what about the training exemption and other things as far as December 2020 examination is concerned? अरे यार, ये पहले ये एग्ज़ाम तो होने दीजिए, वो तो बाद में देखेंगे, वो भी प्रेसिडेंट ने बोला ना. And what president told very clearly in his address last week of previous month, if lockdown continues, if transport services doesn't resume, if need be, we will definitely be with the students. He prayed for everything good should happen. So you people did not understand what the president was trying to tell. He was indirectly trying to support you people. That government, we depend on the government to take the decision. We depend on the lockdown to be withdrawn. We depend on the transport and other services to resume. That is a flight or bus or train. So indirectly what he conveyed, if it doesn't happen, where is the question of we conducting and putting you people into trouble? Always we are with the students only. That is what our president very nicely in simple English he told. और आप लोग वो नहीं समझे, आप लोग बोल रहे थे प्रेसिडेंट ने एक्शन नहीं किया, वो की नहीं किया, ये नहीं किया. अरे जब टाइम आएगा, when time comes, if need be, again I am repeating, if need be, even July examination will be postponed. Immediately don't tell, अरे पप्पन सर, पप्पन भाई बोल दिया जुलाई में एग्जाम नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. If need be, and if government directs for our good, because government is always for the citizens of the country. The Prime Minister is very clear. The health authorities are very clear. Each chief ministers and the police authorities, doctors, the health department, everybody are very clear. And they want you and me to see more sunrises. It is not that we take the risk and do something wrong to us and to the society. No. So let us go by them and they will decide which is good for all of us. So don't take it that again July examination will be postponed. No, I didn't mean that. If need be, again the government, the institute, all are with the student fraternity only. Meanwhile, whenever you get time, why don't you go and attend the online classes? Why don't you go and attend the webinar sessions? What is there? Out of your anxiety, you are writing so many things. Yes, you please watch movie. You enjoy everything at home. Be safe. And studies also as part of enjoyment. Please do it, right? I won't compel you to study. No. Some good time you spend for studies also, right? So wish you all the best. Once again, if need be, I will again come like this in front of all of you. Till then, Papan Bhai Sabka wishes you once again a happy International May Day. That is the Labor Day. Labor means what? हम सब काम कर रहे हैं ना. You are doing your work as a student. I am doing my work as a well-wisher of all of you, right? Or any other work that is supposed to be done by me, right? So let us be safe together and make our elders happy at home, respect them, show some affection, love and affection for the youngsters also at home, if any, and keep in touch with everyone through online or other mode. Yes, break the chain, but not the relationship, right? Hope I am very clear. Any other thing which I have left out, which is in your mind, you can please chat with me or with any one of us. The entire, the chapters, regions, the officials, the council, all are with you, right? Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye bye.